Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a BoxyLuxe unboxing and try on. So this is my first BoxyLuxe. I'm so excited to share what's inside of this BoxyLuxe, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I created this look, which I think is really pretty. I think this could be like a prom or like wedding look. Okay, I'm getting off topic. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, if you want to see what's in my BoxyLuxe this month, then just keep on watching. So I was totally gonna film another video today, but my doorbell rang as soon as I sat down to film, and it was my BoxyCharm. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got the BoxyLuxe this month. I'm so excited because this is my first BoxyLuxe ever, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. I just dropped like everything. What the f? So BoxyLuxe is $28.99 in addition to the $21 a month. So I guess the total would be $49.99. So essentially you're paying $50 for this box, and it comes with a lot more items, plus they're a lot more expensive items. So you're probably getting your money's worth getting BoxyLuxe. I haven't even opened it. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Of course, it always comes with a card, and the theme for this month is all access, so I guess like a Hollywood theme. And then on the back it tells you what you got. Look at how many items are on here in comparison to the normal BoxyCharm. So I'm super excited. Okay, I already see so many things. I already know that there's a couple things I'm not gonna be able to try on for you guys in this like try on. I'll try my best to use as much as I can. So the first thing I see here, oh my gosh, I used to have this. I'm so excited that I have it again. So this is the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It's a moisturizer. It says it's a lightweight oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. 2 forms of advanced hyaluronic acid infuse water into the skin, gently refining papaya enzymes, smooth the look of textured and dehydrated skin for a baby soft complexion. Alpha arbutin brightens the appearance of discolorations for clear radiance. And then directions: apply to skin twice a day, morning and night. I used to have this. I used to love it, but it's so expensive. This runs for $65. So right there, you're getting more than what you're paying for this box. And it's so worth it in my opinion. I'm gonna try this on, and I'm excited to be using this again. I did switch over from this to Drunk Elephant, and I've been using the Drunk Elephant for like a year now. I used this for about a year. I did end up buying more than one. There is actually a bigger size, I believe, like one that like is more flat, but it's like fatter unless they change the packaging, and I used to have that one, so I'm excited to have this again. I really do like gel moisturizers. I used to have one from the drugstore, like when I first started getting into makeup, that I really liked. It was from Garnier, I think. It was like really good. I really liked it. But this already makes my skin feel so hydrated. And I already know I love this. The smell of this is okay. It smells like cucumbers, to be honest. Like, you know those cucumber lotions you could buy at like the drugstore that like for little kids? That's what it smells like to me. I always put moisturizer on my neck as well because necklines are apparent as you age, obviously. And yeah, you don't want those, so I highly recommend that you do the same. While this soaks into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and prime my lids because there is a palette in this BoxyLuxe and I'm excited to test it out, so yay! The next thing that comes in the BoxyLuxe is this Moda Studio 8-piece Pro Glam set. This is a brush set. I'm so excited. I actually own a couple of Moda brushes, and I got them at Gem Beauty a couple years ago, and I was so happy with them, so I'm excited to see what these are. I always love getting brushes. Like, you can never have too many brushes. Comes with all these brushes here. Let's see if there's like a list. Yep, there is a list. It comes with a powder brush, which is this one. I'll probably use this for bronzer. A contour brush. This is a contour brush. It comes with a glow brush, which I'm assuming is a highlighter brush. Ooh, I can't wait to try this one out. And then it comes with a shader brush. This one right here. I probably could have used this one to pack on my eyeshadow primer, but whatever. A crease brush, which is this one right here. Honestly, I don't like these big fluffy crease brushes anymore unless I'm doing a very natural look. We'll see if I can use this one today. Then it comes with a smudger. Oh, this one's good for getting right up on the brow bone. I could have done that to clean my brows too. I wish I had opened this before. A detail brush. I would probably use this on the lower lash line. It has like a really fantastic point right there, so I'm gonna probably use this one today. It comes with a brow brush. Oh, I should have done my brows on camera using this brush. The thing is, I like brow brushes. Oh, this is actually a very good brush. This is super thin. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see how thin it is, but some brow brushes that I bought in the past have been way too thick, and I don't like them for my brows, but this one would probably be really good. But I do like having a spoolie on the other end just to brush it out and make it look more natural, even though my brows are definitely not natural. So I'd probably use this, but I'd have to get a spoolie or like use another brush that has a spoolie, but whatever. I opened this first because there is an eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. The eyeshadow palette that comes in the BoxyLuxe is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro palette. I actually have had a couple of Violet Voss palettes in the past. I had the Laura Lee, I believe the one is the one that I had, and I think I had another one. I like how small it is. It is very tiny, but it comes with like a bunch of shades. It comes with what, 10 shades. It's travel friendly, and looking at the shades, you have your everyday like neutral shades, but then you can have your pops of color. You have a black, which is essential. And yeah, let's see what look I'm gonna come up with, but I do want to swatch them first and see how they swatch, and then I'm gonna start doing a look. Okay, so they all swatched so beautifully. Like the shimmers especially are very, very pigmented and buttery. The mattes, I had a hard time swatching them, but that's kind of normal with me and mattes. I just don't swatch very well. I think I'm gonna go with like a purple look. For some reason it calls to me. I'm gonna start with packing on the shade Dusty Rose, which is obviously the Dusty Rose shade right here. I don't think there's a packing brush that I would want to, let's see, maybe this one will work. I don't know, I'm afraid it might be too big, but we'll try it. This is from the set. It's very pigmented on my brush, so I really like that already. I really like this as a packing brush. Oh my gosh, it packed on the shade so beautifully. Imagine if I left my eyeshadow like this though. But I'm not going to, I promise. So I'm gonna take the blending brush and just try to diffuse this edge. It is not blending out very easily, and I don't think it's the shade. So I'm gonna go in with a different brush and just see if I can make it work. I'm gonna use a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm gonna grab the shade Sand. It's a little stained. It's not actually dirty, but it's stained. So I'm just gonna cut my crease with some concealer and the ABH eye primer. I really love this primer, by the way. It's like amazing. I haven't really talked about it much on my channel, but it is really good. I don't really like any of these brushes to pack on colors on the lid, so I'm gonna get my own if I could find one. And I'm gonna take the shade Pink first, and the pink is gonna go on the inner part of my lid. Let's see how this performs without setting spray first. Oh, it's really nice. It has a lot of fallout though, but it could be that I'm using like this tiny brush. I like the shade a lot. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna take a MAC 221 brush and I'm gonna dip it into the black like so lightly and just like really carefully at the outer corner blend some black in, because I really just want to smoke it out a little bit more. And like this is the lightest touch ever, just to make sure that it's not like too heavy. By the way, that eyeshadow palette is worth $29. But there is an eyeliner that comes in this month's BoxyLuxe. It is the Hank & Henry Stick With It Blickity Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. It looks like this. Let me open it real quick. This is what it looks like. It is a felt tip liner. It looks like that. The point is really pointy. It probably does a really nice wing. Let me swatch it. Oh wow, it is pretty pigmented. This is a little longer than I would like. Like I like ones that are a little shorter, like the little felt tips that are a little shorter, but I've actually been getting into the liners that you dunk in that are a little different. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing on both sides, and yeah. This eyeliner is actually not as black as I thought it would be. I'm actually kind of disappointed in it. It is a little like drying. Like it felt really wet when I swatched it, like it wouldn't dry down so quickly. It really did, and it like made it a little patchy in places, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes off camera and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna quickly speed through the rest of my makeup, foundation, concealer, and yeah. Now I'm going to take this cream shade right here. It's called Cream. And I'm going to put a little bit on my brow bone and also highlight my inner corner with that one. That's a beautiful shade. Oh my gosh. By the way, I just used the Moda brush. This is the Precise shader brush. And I'm going to use this one for the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little bit of Dusty Rose. I think I might just leave it at that. So next we have this Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. This is a face palette and it has bronzers, contour shades. Let's see. So this one is worth $45, which is quite a bit. It comes with everything you see here, obviously. I think these are under eye setting powders because I don't think they're like shimmery or anything to be highlighters. So I am gonna set my under eye using that one. There is like one that's more pink and one that's more yellow, so that's why I'm assuming that that's what it is. Let's see when I actually use it. It is definitely a setting powder. It is not a highlighter. There's no shimmer whatsoever. It smells really good too. It reminds me of the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Kit. I don't know if they still sell that, but all the shades in that palette used to smell good. It smells so good. Let's just really quickly swatch the yellow one. I would probably use this if I'm even more self-tan than I currently am. So let's see. Yeah, you see it is definitely just a yellow, like more of a banana powder kind of thing. I think this is a great palette for someone who's a makeup artist and has like a variety of client skin tones and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and use Princess Cut as my contour shade, and I'm gonna take my new contour brush. Let's see. This is the perfect contour shade for my skin tone. It is not too dark. And this is blending it out nicely, actually. I'm gonna take some on my forehead as well. Love contouring the forehead. I am really liking this contour palette, actually, a lot. Now I'm gonna take the shade Carrot, which is this one right here. It's a little bit more warm toned, but it's still like light enough that it'll work. And I'm gonna take it on a powder brush from the Moda set, and let's see. Just to like bronze up my skin a little bit. Really like this. So I'm like looking at where I set my under eye and it looks so good. I'm wondering if like I like this more than loose setting powder. So I'm wondering, because I might. This is nice. I forgot to contour my nose, so let me do that real quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush and highlight, and I'll just fast forward through this part. Okay, I love this brush, by the way. This is a great highlighter brush. It really picks up the product and spreads it really nicely, and it's not like, I have some really thick highlighter brushes that just put the highlighter like all the way up here, and it's disgusting. And the last thing that I can use in the box is this Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick in the shade Patina Shimmer. So I actually own the shade Patina, but not Patina Shimmer. I actually took it out to like compare them, and I think the one that I have is expired. It smells so bad, so I had to throw it away. I was gonna put this in a giveaway, but I think I'm just gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, I'll give it to one of my nieces or something. I'm intrigued by the shimmer aspect of it. It is the same exact shade as Patina, just it has shimmer in it. This is definitely like really metallic and probably something that I wouldn't wear every single day, but definitely for a night out, it's super cute. It's more metallic than shimmery, I would say though, but I really like it, and it feels really comfortable on the lips too. Other than that, there are two more products in here that I actually cannot demonstrate. Like, I can't use them on camera because, well, I'll just explain. The first is this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is a mask you would put on overnight. What it is a hydrating recovery sleep mask powered by Biotic Balancing Complex to balance skin's natural occurring flora. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, and it locks in moisture to prevent water loss. So you're supposed to apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime, do not rinse, and you use it nightly. So I am going to be trying this out, and I will let you guys know if I think it's worth it. I'll probably do an entire like video on it, like reviewing it, or I'll just insert it in my monthly favorites at some point. The last product I have actually already owned as well. I used to use this all the time. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a leave-in conditioner. You're supposed to put this on when your hair is wet, like right before you blow dry it or style it or whatever you do with it. I used to love this so much, but the products I'm using right now for my hair have worked so well for my hair, and actually I was using this right before I switched over to the new stuff, and my hairstylist recommended these products to me. She also told me that the ones that I was using before were probably the reason that my hair was really dried out. I did like this, and it was probably really good for my hair, probably really did a great job of hydrating it, but because my hair is so color treated and my roots are blonde, well, they're gonna be blonde. Next week I'm gonna be blonde again. That probably why I'm not going to be using this. I'll probably put this in a giveaway or give it to somebody that I know would want it because I like the products I'm using right now and I'm not messing with my hair care routine at all. So the Dr. Brandt sleeping mask runs for $52. That right there, bang for your buck, right? And then this one is $29. That's pretty expensive for a leave-in conditioner, but honestly the one that I'm using I think is probably the same price. I did forget to mention that the Stila liquid lipstick is $22. I don't think I mentioned that the eyeliner was $20 and the brush kit was $69.99. Wow. That's the most expensive thing this month was the brush kit, and that's because it has 8 brushes in it. So 8 brushes for $69.99 is less than $10 per brush, which is not bad. The total retail value of the box is $332 and I paid $50 for it. So that's not bad in my opinion. I think that it was really worth it. There are a lot of products in here that I'm gonna use a lot. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm, or if you have BoxyLuxe, what you got in your BoxyLuxe, because I'm always intrigued to see what other people got, like if they got the same things as me or a different variation. But yeah, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!